Okay, so I'm going to be making is I'm explaining how to use LOFT tool. So to make something like this, there are several ways to go about it. You can use your sweep, you can use the LOFT, you can use revolve, and you can use extrude to explain everything. So let's start with the LOFT. Let's create a new sketch. So creating a new sketch, I'm going to make use of display. So now starting with the LOFT tool. So what the LOFT does is it joins two ends. Joins two ends and creates a solid shape in between them. So now let's have our first example using two circular ends. Okay, so now let's start. Go to sketch, draw the first circle, finish sketch. So I'm going to create another plane. So what we do in LOFT, we basically offset planes. You can offset your plane, you can create another plane entirely. So I'm going to offset this plane, right, let's say 10 millimeters. Now select the plane. Now create the other end, which I want to join together to form a solid. Okay, so let's do this. Finish sketch. So now I'll go to my LOFT, click on LOFT, then click on the profile. Look at this red, the first profile, the second profile. You can see the shape formed. Click on OK. So you can have this. So you can see what we have from the LOFT tool that we use now. So if you want to have, you can also make use of 4 profiles. Let's look at that. You can make use of 4 profiles. So now to have extra profiles, you can create more offsets, more planes by offsetting the first plane you have. So click on this plane. Okay, let's finish this sketch first. So click on this work plane, then click on this drop down arrow here, then click on offset from plane. So you can set it for 10 millimeters. Then you can offset this one again by 10 millimeters. So now let's create sketch on each of the planes. So draw circle, make it a little bit smaller than the previous. Finish sketch. I come to the other sketch. This is sketch 3. Draw a circle on this one as well. So we're having this. Okay, so we have just 3 planes and 3 sketches. So now let's use our LOFT tool to create a solid between these shapes. You can see it's already forming. So now click OK. So you're going to be having this. Okay, so you can see what we have here. So we have the solid formed by creating the plane. The part wants the solid to follow. That's what LOFT does.